Today we are going to talk about the book Before We Say Goodbye. If you have already read or if you have already seen these three books on the internet, which is Before the Coffee Gets Cold, and I already made one review on that video that you can see. टोक्यो में एक कैफे है फुनिकुली फुनिकुला। इस कैफे की खासियत ही अलग है। जो लोग इस कैफे में आते हैं दे कैन टाइम ट्रैवल, बट यू हैव टू फॉलो सम रूल्स। फर्स्ट रूल, व्हेन यू गो बैक इनटू द पास्ट आप उन्हीं लोगों से मिल पाओगे जो जिन्होंने इस कैफे में विजिट किया है। सेकेंड, नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड यू ट्राई यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर पास्ट, thus you cannot change your present. Third, in order to return to the past you have to sit alone. Fourth, while you are into the past you have to stay on the seat. And the last, there is a no limit, but you must return before the coffee gets cold. This is an interesting story about a book Before the Coffee Gets Cold. If you want to read something short, then make sure you give it a try. Before the Coffee Gets Cold, it's an interesting book where you have one cafe that is Funikuli Funikula, if I'm not wrong. And whoever goes to that coffee cafe and particularly sit on that seat, then they can time travel. And the coming book, which is Before We Say Goodbye, it's a kind of a same. I mean, it's based on the same story. I feel like I have some bad review about this book as well that we'll talk about later in this part. But let's talk about what is this book about, Before We Say Goodbye. As the name suggests, Before We Say Goodbye, it's a story about the people who are about to say goodbye and they left something. They wanted to say something. They wanted to do something for that person, for that thing, for everything they wanted to do something. But unfortunately, they are not able to do it. So there is a beautiful message in this book that says that whenever you have something in your mind, whenever you wanted to say something, whenever you wanted to do something, then do it without thinking about it. Just don't think what if, like, you get a lot of questions about what if I say this, what if I don't say this, then we have a lot of questions. So if you don't want to go through that regret, then it's really important to say those things, really important to confess those things, and it's really important to do that thing. So this book is all about that stories. So there are 4 stories in this book, and its story also starts like Before the Coffee Gets Cold. So there are so many people who visited that cafe, and out of all of those stories, these are the 4 stories that are concluded in this book. The first story is about a husband who wanted to say something to her wife, but he couldn't, and how he went through that cafe, what everything happened, how that memory. There is one thing in the starting you will understand, even if you time travel, the present does not change. So that's something interesting about this book that you will find. So the first story is about the professor who wanted to see his wife and talk to everything about what he went through it, about that one particular photo, and so many good things about that book that you are definitely gonna enjoy. The second story, it's about the dog, and dog is something really close to my heart, and it's about the dog who there is this one girl or woman who wanted to go to that funnel, but she couldn't. Again, the third story about is a proposal. A woman gets a proposal, but she wanted to do something around that, but she couldn't. So what will happen if they go back into the time travel, and what if they can change little bit about it? Though present is not going to change, but at least they can think about those things and answer those things. And the last story, which is another favorite my story, which is between the daughter and the father, and the conversation between them. So it's a great story. I mean, Before the Coffee Gets Cold is definitely the top 1 book, I will say. But Before We Say the Goodbye, it's another, I will say, the second rank out of all of the 4 books, because this book is all about regret. This book is all about why you should not have the regret, why you should not go with the regret, because regret is something is going to stay with you forever. And if you don't want to get into the regret, then you have to answer all of those things. You have to go there, you have to talk to that person, you have to do all of those things if you don't want to get into the regret. And there is another book that I will suggest you to read, The 5 Regrets of Life, so which is another great book. I have made a reel on that, you can check out on the description on the Instagram, which is definitely a good regret book. And if you don't want to get regret, then you should definitely go and read this book. So this book is a kind of extension of the previous book. Like, there is this one cafe, all the rules and everything are the same, just the different stories from that cafe. Like, there are 4 different stories Before We Say the Goodbye, and those like these books talk about specifically about all of those stories. So that's about all of this book. Even if you have not read the previous book, you can directly read this book, because the rules are same, everything is same, and everything is explained in this book. It's just that you should understand what is the concept of before the coffee gets cold. Like what is the coffee table, what is that cafe, how you can time travel, and you have to return to the present before that coffee gets cold. Otherwise you will stuck into the past, and if you don't want to do that, you have to return as soon as or before the coffee gets cold. So that's the basic premise of this book, and it's a really good book. You should definitely read it. You should definitely read or try to listen to the audiobook. I will put the link in the description. You can get the first 4 audiobooks for free if you use my link, and you can definitely get a lot of reading from that book, and it's a definitely good book. Definitely give it a try. If you are looking for the review of the Before the Coffee Gets Cold, then check out this video. I have shared everything about that book, and if you wanted to know the more updates, then follow me on the Instagram for each and every update about the book, and don't forget to join our newsletter. The link is in the description.